Good afternoon, Tom from Halverson Wood Products. I'd just like to inform everybody of the upcoming fall season of shows that we have in front of us. The next one we have is the Michigan Forest Products Show in Gaylord, Michigan, August 9th and 10th. This is a new show this year, first time. We're looking forward to it. It's a logging show. After that, we have a dealer out of Pembine, Wisconsin doing Wisconsin Farm Technology Days. That will be in Cadott, Wisconsin, August 13th through the 15th. After that, one of my favorite shows is the Woodsmen Field Days in Boonville, New York, August 16th through the 18th. I'll be there personally doing that show, doing live demos, and it's a good time. Everybody enjoys that show very much. After that, we have one of our dealers, Jay from Wild West, and I believe Fred from Precision Lumber will be at the Great Lakes Logging and Heavy Equipment Expo, September 5th, 6th, and 7th. And they will be doing live demos there as well. Hopefully one of us, Glenn or I, will be out there to help support, try and support both best we can. After that, I go to Woodstock, Ontario, one of Canada's bigger outdoor farm shows, supporting Harkness or Harco Ag. They're our dealer in Eastern Ontario. That show is September 10th, 11th, and 12th. After that, we have two shows at the same 3 days. We have the Ozark Fall Farmfest, October 4th, 5th, and 6th, Springfield, Missouri, and our dealer Hogan Mechanical, Daryl Hogan, will be doing that show, and hopefully Glenn or I will be able to break away, help him. The other show at the same 3 days is the Paul Bunyan Show in Cambridge, Ohio. Professional Heating, John and Brenda Timko will be doing the show primarily. Both shows will have live demos at them as well. And again, one of us, Glenn or I, should be at that show as well to help answer questions and do the demos. After that, we have our dealer in Virginia, Big Island, Virginia. He has an open house every year. It's a very fun day. He makes it exciting. I know he's got one of the cast from the Dukes of Hazzard will be there. I think Tom Wopat, Luke Duke. That is October 26th in Big Island. It's a Saturday. And then the last show that I do of the year is the Nebraska Ag Expo in Lincoln, Nebraska. Again, I love the people down there. It's a fun show. It's an indoor show. We play a video and stuff, but the dates are the 10th, 11th, and 12th of December, which is my anniversary. Plus, I got married on my birthday, so I got a birthday and an anniversary, so it's a fun time. If anybody knows of any other shows that they would like us to come attend, please suggest them to us. We'll look into them and try and do our best to get to your area if it's more convenient. We're also looking for dealers in certain areas. If anybody has any interest, please call. Our number here is 218-587-2065. And again, I'm Tom. Just ask for me and I'll do the best to answer your questions. Thank you.